So I want to show you how to configure Mac or Linux to use Git. So if you're using Windows, you don't need to watch this video. And if you're on Mac or Linux, the good news is that Git should already be installed and up and running. There's a way you can check, and we're going to go into our terminal and we're going to check to see if we could get the version of Git to show out. And the way you bring that up is Git version. And these are flags when you see dashes. If you have 2 dashes, it means it's going to be a full word. And if you have 1 dash, it's like an abbreviation. We'll see that later using a flag of an abbreviation with 1 dash. But you're going to type in git space dash dash version, and it'll show you the version of Git. If you see that, all should be well. If it doesn't work for you, you'll need to install Git for your operating system and then install GitHub Desktop for your operating system, and then that should get everything going. So how do you get to your terminal? On a Mac, you're going to press Command spacebar, and that's going to launch Spotlight. You could also get there by clicking that little deal right there. This is just a screenshot I found online. And when you click that deal, it'll bring up the Spotlight, and then you type in terminal, press enter, it'll launch the terminal, and you could type in that git dash dash version. On Linux, you're going to click on that little button right there, type in terminal, and then just click terminal and do the exact same thing. So that's what you do if you are on Mac or Linux to check to see if Git is already installed. And if it's not installed, you want to go and install it. So you just go to Git and search for Git, and there's a website, git-scm, and you'll go to the downloads, and then you'll be able to download here for the different operating systems the correct version for your computer.